You know what's frustrating? Switching between 10 different apps just to get one task done. Email, calendar, documents, spreadsheets, it's workflow chaos. But there are 5 AI tools that are actually changing how people work. I tested them all, and here's what actually works. Number 1, Claude Cowork. This is AI that actually does your work, not just helps you do it. Key features include local file access, it reads your documents and code directly. It's agentic, meaning it figures out the steps to reach your goal. It's best for document analysis and data processing. It's like having an assistant who delivers finished work, not just drafts. If you need AI to handle the heavy lifting with your actual files, this is the one. Number 2, MCP, Model Context Protocol. Think of it as USB-C for AI, one protocol that connects AI to everything. It connects AI to Google Drive, Slack, and GitHub with no custom code needed. It works with Claude, ChatGPT, or any model. It's perfect for connecting AI to your existing tools. If you want AI to access your actual workflow apps, MCP is how you do it. Number 3, Zapier AI. This is workflow automation with AI built right into the core. It connects over 6,000 apps. You can describe what you want in plain English, and the AI builds the automation for you. Best for automating repetitive tasks. If you're doing the same thing in 5 different apps, Zapier AI fixes that. Number 4, Make.com. Similar to Zapier, but built for those who need to see their workflows visually. The Visual Builder helps you handle complex logic. AI suggests optimizations and helps you map out multi-step processes. It's best for complex workflows that need visual planning. If you need to see how data flows, Make is your tool. Number 5, NotebookLM, Google's AI that actually reads and understands all of your personal notes and sources. You upload your documents and it creates a localized knowledge base. You can ask questions and get answers grounded only in your sources. Best for research and organizing scattered information. If you have notes everywhere, NotebookLM brings them together. So which one should you use? Use Claude Cowork to do actual work with files, or MCP to connect AI to your existing tools. Choose Zapier or Make for automation, and NotebookLM if you need to organize and learn from scattered information. The bottom line, these tools solve different problems. Pick the one that fixes your specific workflow bottleneck. Want deep dives on any of these? Drop the tool name in the comments. Subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching.